So there is a way to get the add file right click to work in Visual Studio, but you have to add the CVP and header files individually. So if you right click, add new item, and then we'll click like header file, we'll type test header, and then you do have to click this browse down here and navigate to the source and then the folder we want, which I'll just put it in this MISC folder. So I'll select that folder. With that folder selected and the test header, the file name added, I'll click add. And we can see it did put it down here, and if we look at the file path, it's not in a generated folder. And so we can do the same thing for the CVP file. So if we go to CVP file and add, so you probably would make these the same name for an actual class. Click add, and it's there. The difference is that I did not use the add class. So add new item, I could not use add class. But note that if you delete these from here, remove, it actually doesn't remove them. So if I open up this file and I click remove, they're still there. So then I have to delete them.